Today I'm presenting my Lab 2 assignment, which is on SQL queries. I will start by loading the SQL command into Python using this. Secondly, I'll call up SQLite so that I can start performing coding in Python using SQL. Now, I'm going to create a database for Coca-Cola's daily warehouse operations. This I would call Coca-Cola's operations table. Now, this database is what I've just created here. It's going to have 10 rows and 10 columns. Now, I'm going to run this. Now, after running it, I would bring it into a tabular form so that it's easily visible. You can see all the headers, rows, and columns like this. Now that we have it in tabular form, I'll go further to show you how we can introduce, if we have new entries, how we can bring in new entries. So it's possible that the sales team just had a new product and they want to start seeing how this product is faring in the market. So how do we know if this new product is now part of the table? We'll check the table again by using the select function. On doing that, we can see that it's now there as number 11. Then the next step, I will show you also how to delete an entry from the table. Now, what do we need is, so it's possible the sales team have found out that, hey, soda is not selling as much as possible anymore. So to that end, they don't need this on they don't need this on the table. So how do we know that it's no longer on this table? We run the same select command. You see there's no soda anymore, but now there's a new problem. The IDs are not matching anymore. It's no longer serial. We have from 4 to 6. Now the next thing we need to do is to find a way to reorder the IDs. We can use the update function for that. The update function, as you can see here, would help you set the IDs correctly. So if I run this command and I check the table again, you would see that it's all corrected. So this is also to, yeah, so you can see it's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all in order. Now, after having done this, the next step would be to use the wildcards. Now, the wildcards will help if you want to check specific items. Say, for instance, I want to see items that have ER towards the end of the product. If I run this command, I will see Monster and Coke Zero. In the same vein, I can run the same wildcard to see items that have a CO somewhere at the front. If I run this, I'll see Coke and Coke Zero. Moving forward, we can also have a situation where we need to add a new column to the table. So let's say, for instance, the sales team wants to see how the products are faring in the sales channel. So I can add the sales channel by using the alter table operator. Now, I've added that, I need to confirm to be sure that that new column is part of the table. I use the same select function to check this. If I scroll to the right, I'll see it. But note that it's there, but now it's all empty. Now, how do I fill up the empty? I'll use the command for update to introduce values into that empty. So if I run this and I check the table again, you will see that all of the values have been updated under the sales channel. I'll show you. Here it is, sales channel. Okay. Now the next step would be, what if I wanted to see my data in a much better fashion, ascending and descending order. Ascending, I I use this command with the ASC, you will see the opening stock is now from the smallest to the largest. In the same vein, I can do that for descending. Using the same command, I will just change ASC to the DSC. I run the command and I have this from the biggest to the smallest. Now we now come to the part where we need to do counts. So let's say somebody wants to see a count of all the products on the reports. So we can run the select count function and tell me that I have 10 items in that report. Now we come to the fun part, data visualization charts. So we need to import Matplot library for this using this command, because that's where all the charts will come from. Now, having imported that, I would select to use bar charts in this instance. So now I want to see all my physical balances by product name. So if I run this, the bar chart shows me everything. These are all the items and these are the respective balances. In the same vein, I can change the color if I like using this command with color. Then I can also change, so I want to see my cost variance now with respect to the product names. This color, red. So I can see all of that. I can see that water has the worst losses so far, and Coke Zero has the highest gains. So it's easy for me to see the variability among the items. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.